Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify listing. First, access your Shopify admin and locate the Products section. From there, select Add Product to begin creating your new item. You'll want to craft a compelling title and a detailed description that clearly communicates what your product offers. Remember, a well-written description can significantly boost customer engagement and sales. Next, it's time to add your product's visual elements. Upload several high-resolution images and a video if available, showcasing your item from various angles. Then, determine your pricing strategy. Set a competitive price and consider adding a compare at price to highlight any special offers. Don't forget to input your inventory levels and a unique SKU for efficient stock management. Organizing your products effectively is crucial for customer navigation. Assign your new listing to one or more relevant collections, making it simple for shoppers to find. Utilize descriptive tags to enhance search engine optimization and internal site search. Also, select the correct product type and, if necessary, specify the vendor. This structured approach helps customers discover your items effortlessly. Finally, let's address shipping, variants, and search engine optimization. Input accurate shipping weight and customs information. If your product comes in different options, create variants for sizes, colors, or materials. Craft a concise meta title and description to improve search engine rankings. After reviewing all details, save your product and preview it to ensure everything looks perfect before making it live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.